Back to my channel, guys. Today is one of the easiest, most versatile side dishes. It's roasted vegetables. It only takes 25 to 40 minutes in the oven and your meal is ready. I have some sweet potato that I did soak in the water for about 2 hours just to get most of the starch out, some pumpkin, asparagus. I also have red onion. You can use the white onion, some eggplant, a few spices like black pepper, salt, cayenne pepper, some garlic flakes, Cajun seasoning. Just add some simple seasonings into it, all right? Sprinkle some olive oil over the top. Then add your onion. Anyhow you want to mix it, then just go ahead and mix it. Put your few optional spices inside. Toss it around, making sure that the seasonings are all over the vegetables. Then place it onto a baking tray with some foil paper and then just spread it out so that they would be baked evenly. It is so simple and easy to put together. Now I'm going to put my sweet potatoes. I did drain it out from the water and then I'll just place it onto the pan because the sweet potato is sweet already. It has a lot of sugar, guys. So there's no need to put any olive oil or seasoning, but you can do that if you want. I did cut up my eggplants last because it tends to darken when you cut it and you leave it too long. Do the same process by adding olive oil and the seasoning. Place it right onto the baking tray and into the oven for 25 to 40 minutes. It's this simple, guys. And there you have it. After 25 to 40 minutes, let me show you that it's all baked. It is so healthy. And this is a win-win. Trust me on this. Quick to put together. For many reasons, it is so healthy. And yeah, give it a try. Ready to serve. So you can use it with any meat. You can do some steamed fish, fried fish, whatever you want. Yeah, guys. So go ahead, eat healthy. And I will see you in my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.